45 West. KG just mentioned information.
Yeah, we were just hearing from Jim Roman, who's representing the appeal here. He's talking to deputies, see the flashing lights. We knew there was a crash here. The sheriff told us that. He's now warning here at 35 in Trayvine. This crash actually happened at the same time as a possible tornado was touching down. So when we got that report, that was when that crash happened. We haven't confirmed that it is definitely weather related.
Can you roll that now, please?
You know, it snags traffic at that same point where we've been seeing traffic tracker drive back and forth.
People are pulling over because they're kind of scared, I guess. I don't know. I don't know why they're pulling over because they need to get into a bridge or some shit.
That we just talked about.
And it looks like one car actually went into the median.
I believe it's an SUV of some sort.
So this storm right over Fairborn right now. It's moving right over Fairborn, right under the hook.
Getting off at the
over the city of Fairborn at this
Bourne exit, and that's where it's supposed to be.
Just to the east of Wright Patterson Air Force Base, but right over Fairborn. Here in northwestern Greene County, the weather service letting us know that they are going to keep this tornado warning as we monitor this very ominous looking storm. That does appear to be the rotating wall cloud with this, and we're going to have to watch that closely. I'm looking at a close-up look, and it does appear to be getting lower. Again, this would be near the city of Fairborn. If you are in Fairborn, take shelter right now.
Take shelter right now in Fairborn.
Overhead. As we watch it live here on camera.
And sirens are going off right now.
All these cars
are posting.
I know, they're sitting there. They have no shelter. I don't understand what's happening.
Saying they're hearing the sirens, and we know just from talking with Doug Pope from Ohio Task Force 1 that they're actually sounding those sirens inside the Nutter Center, where they have 3,000 people locked down for Zenia's graduation.
Inside the Nutter Center, how close are we?
Certainly it's now over Fairborn. It looks like it is cleared the Nutter Center off to the north. Just looking off radar.
Oh my gosh.
To the basement or an interior room. You don't want to go out and look at this cell. Definitely appears that we've got something going on our camera there.
Far left. Is that heavy rain?
That is heavy rain. That is the rain, what we call the rain shaft, or the rain that's coming down. And that's the problem.
The only
with
car going towards it.
This cell is moving from south to north. So folks that are north of this are going to get the heavy rain first, and it's going to
This over here looks bad. It looks like
and show you what we're watching here. You can see the here, but real quick, you can see how this is hooking